Good day. This is Tom from Kudos Business Group. As you can see on the screen, we are a complete internet marketing agency. We are experts at helping small businesses use the internet to market products or services, including e-commerce. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important internet footprints your business will ever have: your internet reputation. This involves many different internet components. Today we are going to examine specifically social media. This video will address how Kudos experts understand this new trend in consumer behavior, its finer details and secrets. If used correctly, Kudos can make these new trends work for you and your business. For example, here are some recent facts about social media behavior. 4 million small businesses pay for social media advertising on Facebook. Kudos experts watch this behavior and through testing creates proprietary marketing programming for our clients. These results pave the path to Kudos secrets, and then we develop ways to use them in all the social media platforms, as we will explain throughout the video. Watch this video. Why social media? To find out how these secrets combined with Kudos proprietary programming and systems can take your business to the next level. We will custom design a unique social media recipe for you, utilizing the best platforms that fit you and your business. These platforms can be created and optimized to become your digital storefront. They can be equal to, if not more profitable than your brick-and-mortar storefront. Here are a few questions I ask my clients all the time. How many people follow you on social media? Or what are the best social media platforms for your business to be in? How do you keep in touch with them? How do you advertise to them? Do you know how to build an email list of your customers to market to them? How many new customers come into your business every month? How many customers know all the services or products you have? Do you do retargeting? I think you are starting to get the picture. With Kudos products or services, you will always get a detailed monthly report, easy to read with numbers for you to examine so you can do real-time monitoring. Think social media is easy? I've seen this happen dozens of times. Business owners put their business into the hands of one of their staff members that states, "I know Facebook." Here's some food for thought. When should you post? What are the ideal amounts of posts per day? How often should you post? What time of day should you be posting? Then what should you post? The answer: it depends. What should you be posting? Images? Links? RSS feeds? Videos? Or just plain content? These are lots of great questions. This is why Kudos becomes a valuable asset. Can you keep a secret? Did you know? Instagram users are seeing a 4.21% per follower engagement rate, which is 58 times higher than on Facebook. And 120 times higher than on Twitter. Kudos in-house and other experts say it's the best social media platform to target millennials. Okay. One last secret. This is one of my all-time favorite pet peeves. How business owners misuse their social media covers. A colleague of mine shared this great example by comparing billboards to social media covers. Now, look at the screen. What would you think if you were driving down the road and saw this $5,000 per month billboard? Right. Who in their right mind would spend all that advertising money for a billboard that says nothing? So, tell me, why do I see this on the cover of almost every business social media site I visit? Let's look at Kudos' first example. How is this Facebook page engaging its viewers? It takes up 50% of the screen. Check out the Twitter cover. Like Facebook, 50% of it is taking up the screen. Same situation with YouTube, but they only giving you 30% of the screen for your cover. It is the same story for all your business social media listings. You need to fix this. Now, look over this before and after social media cover set created by Kudos for this client. It's like night and day, including the activity it creates every day when a customer visits. One last secret bonus. Kudos' main secret social media tool, we call it Recipe. From our social media mastermind group, we discovered content must be engaging. We have put together a secret formula for highly engaging content and how much and when. Here's a sneak peek into that formula. R E C I P E. Now. Really? Did you think I was going to give away the house? Sorry. Clients only get to see all of our secret formula. What's the most important takeaway from all these new social media trends? The biggest question facing most businesses? How many social media networks does a brand or business need to pay attention to? Kudos will figure that out for your business. Thanks for listening. Call Kudos today, ask for Tom. 724-923-4112. Remember, we will treat each of your social media sites for your business as a digital storefront.